Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are excited to introduce our newly HIFU equipment. With this machine, you can achieve facelifting, skin tightening, vaginal tightening, acid scalp removal, stretch mark removal, and other effects. And we are built-in machine manufacturer can provide OEM customized service. This is FR handle. This handle is equipped with 6 tight parts, through NFR and RF dual technology systems. It can easily achieve skin tightening facelifting effect. This one is SD handle, combines RF and HIFU technology. It promotes collagen regeneration and can achieve skin tightening and facelifting body shape effect. This one is RF microneedle handle. This handle combines microneedle and radiofrequency technology. It can promote collagen regeneration and promote skin texture and skin pores. This is high private handle. This uses HIFU technology. It used on female private part and it can achieve vaginal tightening effect. This machine has 4 modes. You can choose every mode according to your needs. Now clean this one. This is FL mode. This is sprays. And this is the distance of point to point. And this is length. You can click it. And this is light. You can choose the shot you need. And this is the face part. You can click it when you need to treat face. And this is high power. Now we click 2 modes. This is SD mode. As you can see, you can click the treatment path you need. When you click here, and this will choose F. And this is short speed. This is short. You can adjust it. This is RF powered, HIFU powered. And now it's 3 modes. This is RF microneedle. And this, you can choose this treatment part. And this is depth, session, speed, RF. And this is treatment time. Now this is 4 modes. And this is for HIFU private. This is rotation degree. You can click here and adjust it. And this is angle. This is length, this is pitch, this is power. Before treatment, we need to prepare these things. This is alcohol disinfectant, this is cleansing, this is gel, this is mask, this is cotton towel.